Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rennie. So right in this video today, I'm gonna show you guys on how to be able to invest $100 in BNB and get 1,186 plus in profit, and this is very easy to do. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for me. I'm also going to share my altcoin easy investing secret, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. So this is my Ethereum right here. Okay, I'm not trying to brag or anything like that. I only want you to pay attention. Okay, so now this is what I did. I have this account also. This is my Coupon account. I'm still building this one right here. Okay, so pay close attention. So last year Ethereum was about about 500 to 400 and something dollars. So as of last year, I bought 100 and something, let's just say 130 something dollars of Ethereum. That was 0.3 unit of Ethereum. I had students and some other people around me that wanted to also do the same thing, so they joined me because I've made my analysis and all that. I did it all 10 before I told them to buy. Before I did this, so this worked for me. I bought 0.3 unit of Ethereum as of last year, about 100 and something dollars. That was the cost of it. And right now, if you check the price of Ethereum, I have about 1,100 and something dollars in profit. So this year I was able to also double more. Okay, so this same strategy is what I want to show you, so you could be able to not miss out on anything. This strategy will work for you because you guys are not trying to invest so much in all these coins, So what you do is this: just watch this. Okay, pay close attention, share this video to all your friends, make sure you also subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. So you guys already know that everything is not all about forex and all these volatile markets and all of that. You need something that is very stable. Remember, don't lose money, right? And that's the first rule in investing. And right now, let's just type 0.3 unit of Ethereum so you could see how much I have, like I made. Okay, so 0.3 Ethereum. Okay, let's do this. So you can see $1,186, and I bought only 100 and something dollars of Ethereum. I want you guys to also replicate the same thing here to BNB, okay, because BNB is serving as a preeminence when it comes to the way Ethereum was able to perform as of last year. So right now, this is BNB. Okay, now let's type 0.3 unit. What I want to buy here is 0.3 unit of BNB. So if I do this now, what will happen is that I'm gonna be buying this amount of BNB. Okay, right now you need about $147 for this. I'm sorry. Okay, so you could still buy $100. Okay, so now if you are owning this amount of BNB, by next year you're gonna see the magic. Okay, it's not gonna happen so sooner. Okay, because if you are building wealth, you want to make sure that you don't lose money. Okay, because losing money shouldn't be the best alternative. Okay, but the most important thing is that you put in your money where it's going to work for you. So what will happen is that if you own this amount of BNB, by next year you're gonna see the magic by yourself, and you're gonna come back to the channel to thank me. So that's it. So I advise that you have about 3, because this 3 could make you have about 1,180 something dollars. So how do you go about the calculation to know how much you're gonna earn? So now looking at the whole looking at the whole situation right here with Ethereum, then Ethereum was about 500 and something to 400 and something dollars as of last year. Okay, so what I did was that I bought about 0.3 unit of Ethereum. So if you type that 0.3 unit right here, as you can see right here on the screen, then you will see that 0.3 Ethereum that I bought for about 100 and something dollars, that was 147 or 148 dollars, was now worth about $1,187. Okay, so I'm in profit. And this is just about, let's just say this is not up to a $200 investing. Okay, so the account was about 100 and something dollars. So I did this for myself, and also I did this for a few friends that I know. Then they are all in profit, and I was also in profit. So now this is also the same thing I want you guys to do. So now, so this is the calculation. So there's every possibility that BNB is going to be reaching this $3,962,000 by next year, and there's every possibility that BNB is going to be reaching about $2,000 because it has a lot of use cases there. Okay, so now the reason why we are using BNB for the most part is that you want to make sure that you are using a coin that has a great utility. Okay, because if a coin doesn't have a great utility, I don't go closer to investing such amount of money into that coin and waiting for a return like this by the following year. So the reason why we are making use of BNB is because BNB almost has the same use case of Ethereum. Okay, that's why it's serving as a preeminence. So aside from that, so if you just do this real quick, you're gonna be in profit by next year. Okay, even if you don't make about $1,187, then you should be making about $700 and something or closer to $1,000 something. So you are not losing anything. Instead, you are already profiting. So this is a strategy that I want to share with you guys. So this is an advice I've always given to most of the people I know. Okay, whenever you're trying to build wealth, okay, you build wealth from not your resistance, you build wealth from your support level, which is down. Then down is where you build wealth. Then the resistance is where you kind of like look up and stay careful over there, because small thing could get you down. It's a simple investing tips that I think that you guys are going to like. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Share this video to all your friends and make sure you subscribe for the most part and turn on the bell notification for me, and see you again.